All right. So good morning. How's everybody doing? Good? All right. So first we're gonna go over our warm up. Our learning target for today is I can apply my knowledge of area, perimeter, floor plans, and research skills to find the costs associated with renovating a house. Okay. So I'm gonna first model the warm up. First question. We'll do the second question together. Okay. All right. So if you read along with me, the rectangular room measures 12 feet by 25 feet with a 9-foot high ceiling. The flooring is being replaced with carpeting that sells for $15.50 per square foot and entails $199 installation fee. So the question says, what is the total cost for carpeting with a 7.5% sales tax? Right? So I got 12 feet by 25 feet with the 9-foot high ceiling. So first, I'm going to find my area. I got 12 feet times 9. And I'll have 25 feet, which is my longer one, times 9. And I'll go to decimals and plug it in. I got 12 times 9. Hold on one second. We'll get my calculator. So 12 times 9 will give me. Where's my calculator? Oh, one question. 12 times 9 give me 108. That's 108 feet. 25 times 9. It gives me 225. 25 times 9 is 225.
20 times your own 12 times.
225 feet. So now I gotta find that's the small wall, that's the large wall. So my second step will be is the perimeter area. And that's 108 plus 108 plus 225 plus 225. I'm going to add that up to tell me how much I'm gonna have. Add that up to you. So that's 108 plus 108 plus 225. So that's 105. Give me the 250. Now, my third step, carpet is selling for $15.50. So I'm gonna have to multiply that times 1550. My square footage times 1550. So go back to my calculator. It's 666 times $15.50. Ooh, show that 10,000. 10,332. 10,323. That's the price per square footage. Now, this is the price. Now I'm going to add that 10,323 plus the installation fee of $199. So that gives me. That's $199. Oops. 10,323 plus $199. $10,522. Now the question is asking, what is the total pricing for the architect with the sales tax? So the sales tax on here. So now with sales tax, I'm gonna have to multiply. So I got $10,522 times. Since I got 7.5%, I need to turn that into a decimal, so I'm gonna move it 2 places over to the left. So that gives me 0.075. And this tells me how much sales tax I'm paying. $789.15. $789.15 is the sales tax. So now that I got my sales tax, I can just add it, which would be 10,522 plus 789.15 will give me 11,311.15. So for the total price of the carpet is 11,311.15. That's the total price of my carpet. Okay. Now we're gonna do example number 2 together. All right. So example number 2 says a square has a perimeter 12 centimeters. What is the length of each side? Let me draw a square. And if the perimeter is 12, what do y'all think? On each side.
12. 12.
No, the
Oh,
perimeter is, huh?
or no, 3.
3, right? So if I got 3 here, 3 here, 3 here, and 3 here. And when you add up all the sides, 3 plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, that equals 12, right? That wasn't hard, right? Now, all right, so we'll go ahead and get out our home improvement project. So go ahead and get out your projects, and I'm gonna try to go ahead and get in your groups for me. We're still doing our learning target of applying the knowledge of perimeter, area, floor plan, and research skills to find the associated costs of renovating a home. All right, so go ahead and get in your groups for me. Y'all can go ahead and turn your desks. Y'all could have done task 1, 2, 3, right? I'll put this one, 1, 2, yeah, put it in there. Yep. So y'all go ahead and slide over and turn your desk, future group. And group, slide over. So we want the 20 of today. All right, come on. Right.
playing music, so I had to go out to see what music they was playing. You know, I like to dance. Yes, I do.
Sir, thank you.
You can't tell me what I did. I went to the clinic. I went out there and danced.
Go ahead and get your body together.
I'm sorry, I don't mean to be this.
All right. So, what's your project? Got it out?
Right here.
Okay. So let me see how task 1, 2. Good. Did you pay somebody? I got your task. Okay. Did you got your figures? Who's doing the fence?
No.
Okay. You do the fence. You gotta do your paint costs. Okay, great. Go ahead and do that. You doing the fence and you know what else? Did you do your paint costs already? Go to task 3.
I haven't
Okay.
finished it.
Yeah, you do your paint costs. Everybody has individual paint costs. What are you doing? Which one are you doing? No. What are you responsible for? So that's how you calculate. You go into the bedroom and get the figures to do the paint costs of your bed. The bedroom. What you doing? Okay, so go ahead and start working on task 3. Okay. So go ahead and start doing task 3. Task 3 sucks. No, you're right. I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. Paint costs. Okay. So the wall, when we talk about the wall, make sure we're doing it just like we did that example I did. So if you got 12 feet times 15 feet and your ceiling is 10 feet high, you're gonna take the smaller wall and multiply it like that. So that'd be 12 times 10. And then you're gonna take the larger wall 15 times 10 to give you the length and give you the width. So y'all should have a 3-digit number when you're doing the paint costs. Okay. So everybody should have their own, yeah, go do your own room. But that's how you're gonna figure out the length and the width of the paint costs. Can I see outside real quick? If there are any other questions, no other questions. Thank you. Go to your measurements on your task. We're starting with the first. So I'm showing you how to do the first one. The area, finding the length and the.
I know how to do it. We gotta get that information.
Okay. That's not right.
That's the one. That's
You're doing it. You how I just did it here.
that's how much the wall running.
Okay. You're gonna add it up. Once you get this and this, you add the two to put that there.
So the same for so I gotta use different numbers.
My example is on the board.
Why would he did it?
You should have 3 in that last column. You have 3 numbers.
It is. It's 266.
what's, hold
The
on.
numbers are right here.
What the heck?
That comes from the law.
Where? Which one? Well, that's the back there. But you're multiplying that times that, just like I just did here. The small wall times that, the large wall times that. Just how I just did it up there. What are you doing? You understand? What are you doing?
I'm going with kitchen, kitchen and the,
Oh.
you say my.
What are you doing? The bedroom?
I don't know what it is.
Well, as long as you multiply, then that's it. You know, you get that whole spot on two. Multiply the width, 27. Put it in there, that comes to- So right here, you multiply, you got 176. So this is the move. Go back to the move. It should be 176 times 5.
I don't know which one is the right and which one is the other.
This is a little bit.
And how do I get the, how do I find the three?
And on both sides.
And, but I do the same thing for the square footage.
No, the backyard is the. So what else?
I think,
What paint did you pick out? You skipped over, hold on, skipped over this one. You got this amount. Did you read 1 gallon will cover 350 square feet? So you would have to divide that by that just to know how much 8 gallons you need. The cost of the paint is whatever you decide. Whether if you choose in flat paint, go to the paint. Here, that's the paint. Per gallon. Okay. Does that make sense? Nehemiah? That makes sense? Yeah, so like that, and then add them all together, and then here you would have to divide whatever number you get. And do that now? Any more questions?
so for the backyard dimensions, I don't need a square footage.
Okay.
You said add to the.
You multiply them with the
Okay, and so I do the same thing for the push up. When it's all four times. So what's these on?
right, that's the same thing.
Oh, okay. You can add.
Add it together, put it here. And then once you I'll take the 350, whatever number you get, you're going to add it. So that it falls in ours, you know, they should be.
You said add them together for the perimeter?
Add all four sides. Just like we did on the test. Primer gallons needed, so you only need one. You will be required to use 1 coat of primer and 2 coats of paint, so they'll be cheap because you're doing 2 coats. And remember when I said you gotta round up? If you can't go ahead and do both of them on here. What would you round it up to? What's the next whole number? Not 2. So 1 gallon of paint is for 2 coats, so here it will be 4. And then you put the cost per gallon. And then you multiply. You got everything just multiply those things, but there, multiply that times that, but. Okay. I want you to read first. Read what you're supposed to be. Read that. And I'll tell you what you're supposed to do. Second check. Which one? Remember what the P. Remember what the pencil lined up. So when I went to the phone, because you can't go and try to read what the two. So what would that be? That's all I'm going to do. Remember when I'm checking?
Input is ground needed for the perimeter of entire yard. One piece of ground covers 6 feet of the perimeter. So how do I figure out what else you
Divided by the total perimeter.
divide what by the 6?
6. If it says one piece of railing covers 6 feet, you divide it by the total perimeter. Work it out.
How many gallons do you need?
Square footage of the wall. What does that say? What does that say? That's the end of it. Okay.
For this, it says 4 posts are needed at each corner. Number of posts needed, and there's like a blank X 25. So that is four.
Each side needs a post.
Mm-hmm.
So how many sides?
4. So 4 times 25.
No, 2. Huh?
4 times because it said 4x 25.
Yeah.
Okay. Mm-hmm. It's actually 2 height. Actually, 2 height. So this is not for them. You gotta add 2 things in the joint. For this kind of thing,
To get that.
Yeah.
Add up the total. He added up this. And then you forgot this here.
I'm doing all right now.
Right. So we'll call per gallon is 30. It's still $30, but you're just gonna rather than 2 and just it'll be $60. Oh, okay. So how many gallons of you need? So Parma doing 2 coats of 2. It takes 3 gallons to do. Okay, right here. 3 gallons either for one coat of paper. So we got 3, but maybe 2 coats that would be worth. What's the 3 of them?
Can I have a decimal?
You gonna round up? Is that the paint?
Mm-hmm. This is the fence.
You can just not round it up. Just round it up. What is the bank protocol? I mean, y'all agreed exactly what is that? So add labor, payment supplies. Mhm. That's the labor. These are your supplies, right? I mean, these are your supplies, but add all it. Any other questions?
Article AG. Mhm. Pretty good. Mhm.